Charity 8. In a narration found in Jami at-Tirmizi, number 664, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that charity extinguishes the anger of Allah, the Exalted, and protects one against an evil death. This charity includes both obligatory and voluntary charity. As mentioned in this narration, charity has a strong positive effect, as wealth is often a beloved worldly thing to people. So when they give it up for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, by donating it to the needy, Allah, the Exalted, averts his anger from them, anger caused by their disobedience. When this occurs, the person will become encompassed by the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, which will guide them through the difficulties, temptations and tests they face in this world safely, so that when they reach their death, they die in submission to Allah, the Exalted, meaning as a true Muslim. An evil death is when one dies without their faith. This can occur when one possesses weak faith, which is a result of their ignorance of Islamic knowledge. The more one gains an acts on Islamic knowledge, the stronger their faith will become. An evil death can also occur when one persists on major sins, such as abandoning the obligatory prayers. It does not take a scholar to conclude where this person will end up in the hereafter. It is the reason why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a narration found in Jami at-Tirmizi, number 1961, that a generous person is close to Allah, the Exalted, close to people, close to paradise and far from hell. A Muslim should therefore make it their habit to donate charity regularly, according to their means, as Allah, the Exalted, observes quality, meaning one's sincerity, not quantity. Even a date fruit given sincerely for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will earn a Muslim reward greater in size than a mountain. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2342. Finally, one must remember that charity includes all good deeds that help others, not just wealth. So the one who does not possess wealth should give charity in other ways, such as giving others their time, energy, and emotional support. The least one can do is keep their verbal and physical harm away from others, as this is considered as giving charity to oneself. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 250.